If you're craving pizza but are committed to your New Year's resolutions, Maypole's healthy wholemeal Ftira is your perfect alternative. Start by setting your oven to grill and then slice a wholemeal Ftira in half to create 2 delightful pizza bases. For a Mediterranean twist, spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, then top with shredded mozzarella, spinach, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, red onions, black olives, and a sprinkle of dried oregano. And then, to finish, drizzle with a little bit of Maypole's olive oil. For a more gourmet experience, brush the base with olive oil, sprinkle crumbled gorgonzola, lay thinly sliced ripe pear, and add a handful of chopped walnuts. A honey drizzle after baking will elevate this to a sweet and savory delight. And there you have it, a crunchy, guilt-free Mediterranean veggie Ftira pizza, and an exquisite pear, gorgonzola and walnut Ftira pizza. All made with Maypole's irresistible wholemeal Ftira, available at all Maypole stores across Malta.